Hello children, how are you? So I hope you're doing accounts, and in my last video we have discussed about trade receivables turnover ratio, which is one activity ratio. This is the first activity ratio we are doing, trade receivables turnover ratio. If you haven't seen that, please, the link is given in the description box below. Please see that so that you can understand this. Alright. Now this is one typical type of sum which is given, in which you need to clearly understand what is the relationship between cash and credit revenue from operation, what is the relationship between sales and cost of goods sold. Okay, this you have the concept from your class 11 also. In the final accounts you have done that, right? Okay, we'll brush it up, don't worry. Gross profit, what is gross profit got to do here? All these things you need to find out. And of course a little bit of maths, you can say, some ratio, you can use X and find out also. So let us do this. You have to calculate opening and closing trade receivables, and your trade receivables turnover ratio is given to you. So first thing you should be knowing the formula. Trade receivables turnover ratio is the relationship between what? Net credit revenue from operation divided by average trade receivables. That I know is 3 times. Alright. So I need to know either of them, at least one of them, to find the third component. Now it is given cash revenue from operation is 1/3 of credit revenue from operation. Okay. The relationship between the two is given. Okay. Now cost of revenue from operation is 3 lakh. Okay. I can see a number here. Whenever you see an amount, no, वही तुम्हारा starting point है, because others everything is like just a relationship. Where is the actual figure? So this is the actual figure, so I start from there. So cost of revenue from operation is 3 lakh and gross profit is 25% of revenue from operation. In दोनों का, these two things can be used to find out revenue from operation. Correct? Now revenue from operations. If I subtract from that the gross profit, what will I get? Cost of revenue from operation. Yes, this is what we have done. Sales minus gross profit is cost of goods sold. Now it is called cost of revenue from operation. Just the terminology has changed, nothing else, the formula remains the same. So sales minus gross profit is cost. Okay, so revenue from operation minus gross profit is cost. So since I don't know revenue from operation, let me take it as X. Gross profit is 25% of X, and this is given to me as 3 lakhs. So now just I have to find, solve for X. So 100X minus 25X is divided by 100 is 3 lakhs. So 100 goes there, and here I have 75X is 3 lakhs into 100. Therefore X is 3 lakhs into 100 divided by 75. 75 4 times. Okay. So this becomes 4 lakhs. So basically your revenue from operation is 4 lakhs, and that is how you have calculated. Right? Revenue from operation is one thing that we have got. Now, since we have got revenue, is total of cash plus credit revenue. Yes, and I know the relationship between the two. Can I not find out credit revenue from operation? Yes. So my numerator would be there. Therefore, I will be able to find out average trade receivables. So as in, just go one step at a time. ये amount मिल गया. Okay. अब इससे क्या find करें? Okay. ये मिल गया. इसके find करें. That comes as a chain kind of. Okay. So here, let us continue with this. Revenue from operation is this. Revenue from operation is equal to cash plus credit. You know, revenue from operation. Right? So, if we are talking about this, and now it is relationship is given between the two. Cash revenue is 1/3 of credit revenue. So, whatever is credit revenue, uska 1/3 cash होगा. That means if I take this as 3, credit revenue 3 है, तो ये cash क्या होगा? 1, 3 divided by 3, 1/3, right? So the ratio between cash is to credit revenue is equal to 1:3. Okay, see, one I have shown you doing x. Now here you can use this ratio. इसको भी तुम x लेके कर सकते हो, y लेके कर सकते हो, equation करके, ठीक है ना? So cash revenue, if it is 1, credit revenue will be 3 times it, because cash is 1/3 of credit. Now this is the ratio, and this cash plus credit I know is 4 lakhs. Can I not find out cash and credit? Therefore, credit revenue from operation is equal to 3/4 of revenue from operation. ये भी 3/4 कहाँ से आ गया? It's just math. This is total, right? This is 1 plus 3. Cash plus credit. 1 plus 3, 4. Sum of ratios. I'm dividing that by 4 and credit find करना है. So therefore into 4. So revenue from operation divide by 4 into 3 कर देने से. Sorry, I said 4. So credit revenue I have to find out. So I'll multiply with 3. So 3/4 of revenue from operation is credit revenue from operation. So 3 lakhs is credit revenue from operation. Therefore cash कितना होगा? 1/3 of this 1 lakh. Total कितना है? 1 lakh plus 3 lakh 4 lakh. ठीक है ना? All under control. Now this you have got credit revenue from operation. Now we will use trade receivable turnover ratio का formula. Trade receivable turnover ratio is equal to credit revenue from operations divided by average trade receivables. Therefore, average trade receivables is equal to credit revenue from operations I have found out, and trade receivables turnover ratio is given to me. So it is 1 lakh. Average trade receivables are there, but that is not the answer. I need to find opening and closing separately. Average is this much. Therefore, total of opening plus closing trade receivables will be how much? Average trade receivables into 2, है ना? क्योंकि average is opening by closing by 2, opening plus closing by 2. So I take that 2 there. Okay, the same formula. Therefore, this becomes 1 lakh average into 2. That is 2 lakhs. So 2 lakhs is opening opening trade receivables plus closing trade receivables. Clear here? And I also know the relationship between these two. Now here I had shown 1:3 करके. Let me show you in taking as a variable, say y. Okay. So let us take one of them as y. So let me take closing trade receivables, because closing trade receivables का 1/3 है opening trade receivables. So let closing trade receivables be y. Therefore, opening trade receivables is equal to 1/3 of y. Correct? Therefore, opening plus closing कितना हो गया? Opening 1/3 of y plus closing y is equal to 2 lakhs. Correct? So if I take this 1y plus 3y is equal to 2 lakhs. Simply solving the equation, 4y is equal to 2 lakhs into 3. Y is equal to 2 lakhs into 3 by 4. 50. So 1 lakh 50,000 is my y. Y was what? Closing trade receivables. Therefore, opening trade receivables into 1/3 of that, 1/3 of y, 50. This is my answer. This is closing, this is opening trade receivables. Please put your answer clearly. This is your final answer. Alright? So, you can take this as 1:3 or x, y, to be like a whichever way you are comfortable. I have shown you both ways to form the equation also, or do it using ratios. Fine. So this is how you find out one by one. Your starting point should be the given figure, known figure. वो relationship भी बहुत important है. Cost plus gross profit is sales, or if sales minus gross profit is cost. Anything can be given to you. Gross profit can be given as a percentage of sales or a percentage of cost. Cost का percentage दिया, cost नहीं दिया तो cost को x ले लो. Sales दिया है, sales नहीं दिया है और sales का percentage में दिया gross profit. So take sales as x and solve it. Find out the other component, missing component. ये करना है last तक. Yes. So practice more such sum, children, because these are the sums these are the type of sums that are asked in the boards. Alright. So practice this and take care. Keep watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Press the bell icon for your notifications. Like and share with your friends. Thank you. Take care.